Hello guys, welcome again to the Cyber AFG Ethical Hacking School. And we are going to learn today the types of viruses. I mean computer and network viruses. As you see, and this is the simple presentation. You can see the types of viruses. We have malvertising viruses, worms, Trojans, ransomware, both or botnets, adware, spyware, rootkit, fileless malware, and a lot of viruses we have in the cybersecurity world. But these type are the famous in the cybersecurity, which are used by the hacker in daily attacks. Types of viruses. Malware, short for malicious software or stand for malicious software, is a file or code. Malware is any program or file that is harmful to a computer, typically delivered over a network that infects, explores, and steals. Malware is an inclusive term for all types of malicious software. Malware is also terms for botnets, logic bombs, keyloggers, etc. We will discuss about botnets, logic bombs, keyloggers, etc. and more. Many tools can identify malware on the network, such as packets captures to analyzing. In addition, tools note net flows, IPS, advanced malware protection, Cisco firepower, etc. What is virus? Virus malicious codes that attach to executable file that are often a regular application. Most viruses necessitate an user activation, which involves users taking deliberate actions to initiate the virus's operation. This could include opening infected email attachments, clicking on malicious links, or downloading compromised files. This human involvement is often exploited by attackers through social engineering tactics. User awareness and courteous behavior are key defenses against virus activation. This is the short definition for virus. I hope you get something. Let's discuss types of the viruses. First type is the adware. What is adware? Adware is a type of malicious software that displays unwanted advertisements and pop-ups on infected devices, often redirecting users to harmful websites. It's typically bundled with legitimate software and can slow down system performance while compromising user privacy by collecting browsing habits. Removing adware requires specialized tools to thoroughly clean the system. Another type is ransomware. Ransomware is a malicious software that encrypts a victim's file, demanding a ransom payment for their release. It can paralyze systems, disrupt operations, and cause data loss. Prevention involves regular backups and robust cybersecurity measures. Let's see the ransomware virus hacking sample or example. Oh my god, bad news, your file have been encrypted. Oh, this is the ransomware virus, and this is the ransomware attack by attacker. My system hacked, but don't worry, this is a prank, not the real hacking. This is just an example for you guys. A ransomware virus is like this. Here you can see we have the 50 minutes, and they said $1,500 only today. You can pay $399. You can pay by these methods. When you paid, they will give you the key, and you will put the key here, and your computer will be decrypted again. Without, you will lose all of your files. Let's get to our lesson again. Trojan, this is another type of virus. Trojan is a deceptive type of malware that disguises itself as legitimate software but contain hidden malicious code. Once activated, it can steal sensitive information, grant unauthorized access, or cause damage to the infected system. Users should be cautious when downloading files or programs from untrusted sources to prevent Trojan infections. What's worms? Worms are self-replicating malware that spread independently across computer networks, often exploiting security vulnerability. They can cause network congestion, data breaches, and system crashes. Regular software updates and strong network defenses are essential to mitigate worm threats. You should guys update your all the system and software every day or every week. Then you can protect your system or network computer from worm viruses. Another type is spyware is a malicious software that secretly collects user information and activities without their knowledge, often leading to privacy breaches and data theft. It can monitor browsing habits, capture keystrokes, and transmit sensitive data to external sources. Rootkits is another type of virus. The famous type in the market of hackers. Rootkits are malicious programs that provide unauthorized access and control over a computer system, often canceling their presence and granting attackers persistent privilege to avoid detection and security measures. They can enable various forms of cyber attacks, compromising system integrity and user privacy. And another type we have keylogger. Keylogger are types of malware that secretly record and log keystrokes made by user on infected devices, often capturing sensitive information such as passwords, credit card details, and personal messages which can be accessed by malicious actors or bad actors. Scareware is another type of virus. Scareware is deceptive software that uses back security alert and warnings to manipulate users into believing their system is infected with malware, prompting them to purchase fraudulent or unnecessary software for supposed fixes, preying on peer and misinformation. And another type is logic bomb. A logic bomb is a type of malicious code embedded within software or systems that remains dormant until triggered by specific conditions or events. Upon activation, it executes malicious actions such as data destructions or unauthorized access, often causing significant harm or disruption. And the last type, which is more famous between hackers, that's called botnet. A botnet is a network of compromised computer bots that are controlled by a single entity, often used for malicious purposes such as launching coordinated cyber attacks, sending spam, or distributing malware, with the bootmaster remotely commanding the action of the infected devices. Guys, these are the famous type of viruses. I hope you get something, and if you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel for future more and newly videos and data which releases by our YouTube channel and by our worker and our partners. Thank you very much for watching the video.